In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find where to get it in Ikea online. Let's get started by opening the official Ikea website in your browser. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to get oriented. You'll see the main navigation with product categories across the top or in a menu. This is where you'll begin your search. Next, look for a category that fits what you need. Think storage and organization, living room, bedroom, or whatever makes sense for your project. When you've found the category that matches your interest, click it to open the full collection page. Inside the category page, scroll down to browse the items. You can move at your own pace here. As you scroll, you'll see different styles, sizes, and price points. If filters or sorting options are available, feel free to use them to narrow by size, color, material, or price. This keeps things focused so you're not overwhelmed by choices. When something catches your eye, click the product to open its detail page. This page is your hub for everything about the item. Photos, measurements, packaging details, reviews, and availability. On the right-hand side of the page, you'll usually find the purchasing options and stock information. Now look for a section labeled How to Get It. This is where IKEA explains the ways you can buy or receive the product. You'll typically see options like delivery, click and collect, and in-store pickup. To find exactly where to get the item in the store, choose the store option within this section. If prompted, select your preferred store so the system can show location details for that specific branch. Once you're viewing the store information under How to Get It, look for the self-service area details. This is the crucial part. It will display the rack and area or bin number where the flat pack boxes are stored in the warehouse section of the store. Make a quick note or take a screenshot of those numbers. Having them ready will save you time when you're in the store. It's also helpful to check how many packages the product comes in and confirm the sizes so you know what you'll be picking up and whether it will fit in your vehicle. And that's it. You've navigated from the home page to the right category, opened a product you liked, and found the exact self-service location to pick it up in store. Before you head out, remember that availability can change throughout the day, so it's smart to double-check the page closer to your visit. Happy shopping, and I hope this helps you find what you need quickly and confidently.